Good morning, everybody. Forex market situation update. Welcome back. Today on our program, we got the Euro Japanese yen existing position. We want to follow up here, give you a bit of an update. And the second one, the next one is going to be on the Euro versus the Swiss franc. That one is fresh, right? That one we just pulled the trigger, so it's going to be super interesting. Let's go right ahead and dive in. I think it was before the weekend, so I guess it was maybe 5 days ago. I was here and I was calling out the Euro Japanese yen as it was recovering after a big deep that took it all the way to 128.60. But at the same day, it also changed direction very quickly and ended up positively. What we saw from all that action was price action crossing back above 129.27. Alright, from the weekly perspective, we started to see a big spike, right, starting to show up. And that was suspicious enough, and that's why we were here calling it out. We felt that the price was going to go all the way back to, well, we got a couple of targets here. We felt very confident that it's going to go back to 130.73. which is why we actually used that level for our profit target here. But we also mentioned 132.06 probably later down the road. But that's kind of a question mark at this point. For now, we just want to focus on what's imminent, and that's a quick move to 130.73, or I actually placed my profit target exactly at 130.70, right? So that means we're still about 75 pip to go as far as our target. This position, when we started kind of pretty low, I guess. Price was just crossing back above. The following day, we got in. We throwed in 5K, and later on, I think it was a couple of days ago, maybe even I think it was a couple of days ago, we felt that it was time to throw in a second trade, right? A bigger trade. So we initiated another 10K. So right now, position is 15K. Now, here is the punchline. All right, here's the bottom line. We need price action to end up today above 129.96 here, right? That's right now. That's the point of reference. It's pressure. It put some pressure on that level today. Right off the bat, it started to put some pressure on that level. But check this out. We see some spike here, right there on the bottom. I just hope this level is going to hold. If it will, that's a very good sign, right? So just imagine price action is going to back away, right? It's going to get that rejection. That level is going to be turning to a strong support, hopefully. And when we'll come back tomorrow, price is going to be above that level, and we'll just, keep putting the pressure on this position. Just get it bigger. We're going to throw in one more trade. That's how it's going to work. If it's going to cross back below 129.96 here, we might have to cut down the exposure, cut down the position. Possibly gonna just close out the first trade with the 5K, take some profit off the table, and see how we deal with the rest, the 10K here. But that's pretty much the game plan, right? I just laid out pretty much the all the scenarios possible in this particular situation. We're very excited about the Euro Japanese yen, especially after we've seen the close on Friday. Check this out, right? That huge U-turn during the week, and on Friday gave that last push and made it above 129.96. I think this is very strong indication that price is back on the upside. I guess we'll have to wait and see, right? That's the only way. So yeah, guys, that's about that for this one. Euro Japanese yen. Don't go away yet. We still got a lot to talk about on our program. So we'll see you in the next one. Take care.